Streamlining Healthcare, a guide to setting up telehealth appointments. Welcome to our guide on setting up telehealth appointments, the convenient and efficient way to access healthcare from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure a smooth and successful telehealth experience. Introduction to Telehealth. Firstly, let's understand what telehealth is. Telehealth allows you to connect with your healthcare provider through video calls, ensuring you receive the medical attention you need without leaving your home. Choosing a telehealth platform. The first step is to choose a reliable telehealth platform. There are several options available, such as mention popular platforms like Zoom, Doxy, Alm.me, or others. Make sure to select one that is user-friendly and compliant with healthcare privacy regulations. Registering and creating an account. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to register and create an account. Provide the necessary information, including your name, contact details, and any other required details. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your medical information. Scheduling your appointment. Now that your account is set up, it's time to schedule your telehealth appointment. Most platforms allow you to choose a convenient time slot. Ensure that you account for any time zone differences to avoid confusion. Preparing for your appointment. Before your telehealth appointment, make sure you're prepared. Test your internet connection, ensure your device's camera and microphone are working properly, and find a quiet, well-lit space for the call. This will help the appointment run smoothly. Joining the telehealth appointment. When the scheduled time arrives, log into your telehealth account and navigate to your upcoming appointment. Click on the Join Call or similar button to enter the virtual waiting room. Your healthcare provider will join you shortly. During the appointment, communicate openly with your healthcare provider. Describe your symptoms, ask questions, and follow their guidance. Remember, telehealth appointments are just as valuable as in-person visits. Follow up and feedback. After the appointment, your healthcare provider may discuss follow-up steps or prescribe medications. Provide any necessary feedback on the telehealth platform to help improve the experience for others. And there you have it, a simple guide to setting up and navigating telehealth appointments. Embrace the convenience of telehealth to prioritize your health without leaving your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel How to Heroes, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and stay well.